Prayer for self-control. Father, my desires often pull me where wisdom says no. Teach me the beauty of discipline as freedom, not burden. Strengthen my will to say yes to what gives life, and no to what steals it. Let your Spirit train my habits, from thoughts to words to actions. When I fall, help me rise quickly, resting in grace, yet pressing on. May self-control be a mark of Christ's rule in me. Prayer for unity in the Church. Lord, your body is meant to be one, yet we divide over pride and preference. Forgive us and make us quick to reconcile. Let my prayers for the Church be filled with love, not complaint. Help me pursue peace, speaking truth with gentleness. Bind us together around the gospel, not around lesser things. May our unity be so striking that the world sees Christ through us. Prayer for generosity. Father, you have given me everything I have. Loosen my grip on my possessions. Remind me that generosity reflects your heart. Guard me from giving reluctantly or for show. Make my giving joyful, trusting that you provide. Let my resources meet real needs, and my hands stay open to the next call. Teach me to see giving as worship, an act of love toward you and others.